Now, if you do not want to lose money with Facebook ads, I'm going to tell you one major mistake that you're probably making that will cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars if you do not watch this full video. Now, if this is your first time watching my channel, hello, my name is Antonio, and on this channel, I discuss everything digital. Now, if you get value out of this video, all I ask is that you thumbs up the video. You already know how the YouTube algorithm rocks. And if you would like to subscribe, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Now, I've talked long enough. Let's get into the video. So the big mistake that everybody is making with Facebook ads is that they're running automatic placements. This is a no-no, right? And I know you've probably seen a lot of YouTube videos, people telling you to run automatic placements, but do not do it, especially if you are running video ads. Now, if you're not running video ads, then it may work okay, but I do recommend running video ads just as a blanketed, statement, because video ads do convert better than static images. And then also Instagram and Facebook are heavily pushing video because they know video converts better than any other media type. So if you're not running video ads, you're definitely doing your business a disservice. Now, the reason why you do not want to run automatic placement ads is because most of your ad traffic is going to go to a thing called audience network rewarded videos. That's where most of your traffic is going to go to. Now, if you don't know what this is, I'm going to explain it to you and why you do not want it for your business. Okay, so essentially what the audience network rewarded video placement is that audience networks brings the power of Facebook audience targeting to additional websites and mobile apps, giving marketers even more scale for their Facebook campaigns. You see how they try to dress this up like this is a nice thing, but I digress, right? Using Audience Network allows you to extend your ad campaigns beyond Facebook to reach people with rewarded video. Rewarded video ads are a full screen experience where users opt in to view a video in exchange for something of value, such as virtual currency, in-app items, exclusive content, and more. You can use the video format in Audience Network to show off your product, service, or brand in new ways. Include movement and sound to capture attention quickly and show unique features of a product or tell your brand story. And if you see here, you see this video game, that's exactly where your ad is going to pop up. So if you've ever been using an app and they had that little 15-second, 30-second ad that they forced you to watch that you couldn't skip, right? That's exactly what type of ad or where your ad is going to go. So people are going to watch 100% of your ad, but that's only because they want something in exchange, not because they actually care about your brand or business. And 9 times out of 10, the audience that's watching this ad is gonna be kids or just completely people that do not care about your brand or business. And you can easily waste hundreds, if not thousands of dollars if you do not, check up on your campaign, if you do not know how to optimize your campaign. And naturally, this is gonna get very, very low cost to view because people are gonna be watching it. So Facebook thinks, oh, people are engaging, but no, it's just they're watching the full video because they're incentivized to do so. Make sense? Now I'm gonna pull up the ad manager and I'm gonna tell you what, campaigns you should be running and what placements I would recommend. So again, you're gonna see it's gonna recommend automatic placements. Do not do that. Don't do that at all, right? And then under here, it's gonna recommend both devices, mobile and desktop. I only run mobile unless you have a specific reason to run to desktop. Mobile is gonna convert 10 times better. So always do mobile. And then when you go to manual placements, take off Audience Network, take off Messenger. Now, some people have had some success with Messenger, but to keep it very, very simple, you're only gonna run it to 4 placements. That is Facebook newsfeed, Instagram newsfeed, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, and that's it. The only bonus might be Instagram Reels, right? Maybe. But other than that, you want to keep it very, very simple. And those are the best placements that you want to use for your Facebook ads going into 2022. Now, if you got value out of this video, again, thumbs it up and subscribe. And if you haven't watched my full tutorial on Facebook ads, definitely check that out. I'll have it over here. Hope you enjoyed the video.